My name is Kaitlyn, and today I'm going to show you how to make perfect poached eggs. In this video, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide and show you how to make perfect poached eggs. First thing we want to do is start with fresh eggs. I also like to use good quality eggs like these free-range organic ones. Now to start, we're going to bring a deep pot of water to a boil. You want the water to be filled around 2 inches deep. While we wait for the water to start boiling, we are going to prepare our eggs. Here's a little trick. If you've ever tried making poached eggs before, you may have noticed all of the little white wispies that end up making the egg look messy. The way we prevent that from happening is by straining out the extra liquidy egg whites. If you use a fine mesh strainer like this one, it makes the job really easy. Now we are going to begin cracking and then straining our eggs. Then we are going to add each of the strained eggs into a bowl. And remember, we want to try to keep the egg yolk intact, so try not to break the yolk. And now continue straining all of the eggs until all the liquidy whites are gone. Now that our water has come to a boil, we're going to reduce our heat to low so we can get our water to a simmer. That light simmer is the key to poached eggs. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Keep in mind, adding the vinegar does not add a taste to the egg because it's such a small amount, but adding the vinegar actually helps the proteins in the egg whites coagulate. Next, we're going to pour our eggs into the boiling water. To get that perfect rounded poached look, you want to create a vortex in the water by spinning a spoon around in a circle. Then pour the egg directly into the center of the vortex. Now set a timer for 3 minutes. Once 3 minutes is up, remove the poached egg from the water using a perforated spoon. Dab with a paper towel to remove the excess water. Repeat this process for each egg and enjoy your perfectly poached eggs. So here's a little troubleshooting for you because we've all been there. As you can see, the egg on the left has been overcooked, leaving the yolk firm and rubbery. And as you can see, the egg on the right side leaves a nice bounce when you touch it, which means the yolk inside is still hot but liquid, and it will run out beautifully when punctured with a fork. Avoid this by making sure your water is not too hot but only at a very light simmer. You also may have let the egg cook for too long, so make sure to remove it quickly. To get that perfectly smooth, round, poached look, you can cut any wispies off with kitchen shears or a knife. This is a trick used in restaurants a lot, but it's totally optional for you. Now enjoy your newly learned skill and go serve up some beautifully poached eggs. They pair really well with some thickly sliced toasted bread, fresh ripe cherry tomatoes, a thin slice of prosciutto, and our 2 beautifully tender poached eggs, seasoned with salt, fresh cracked black pepper, and a couple delicate chives to top it all off. Remember, the poached egg is the star of the show, so don't be afraid to add a garnish to your dish that will really show them off. And there you go, easy and delicious, perfectly poached eggs. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I love you guys, and I will see you next time.